morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. So a couple weeks ago I told you that I was going to do some research to look for healthy foods. So I actually found some, and as the saying goes, when you find a good thing, do not keep it to yourself. So I'm here to share with you. This healthy food, we can have it for either lunch or dinner, so it looks nutritious and it's healthy. So without further ado, I would say sit back, relax, take notes, and just watch the videos and try them. Just let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried it before or if you're going to try it. I'm definitely going to tweak mine to my liking. I'll probably add some more stuff and take away some stuff from it, but I'm definitely going to try them, so let me know. All right. You've watched the videos. I know you like what you saw, and you're gonna try them, because for those of us that are on the weight loss journey, we are eager to try new stuff, and we need nutritious and healthy stuff, and these are nutritious and also healthy. So yeah, we're definitely going to be trying out some of those stuff, and let me know if you did any research, if you came up with anything new. Share it with the group, and we can just try them out, because caring is sharing and sharing is caring. All right, so actually I've come to the end of the vlog for today, and thanks for watching. And please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. And keep the circle going and going and going. Alright? So take care, and I'll see you at the next vlog. Bye bye. Enjoy the rest of your day.